Students, today I am explaining class 8 chapter 4 working with tables. A table is a database object which is used to store information in an organized manner. Data types. Data types are used to declare the fields of a table. A data type determines the types of data a particular field can accept. Once the data type is defined, we can't enter a different types of data in it. Some data types: text, number, memo, date time, auto number, yes no, OLE, hyperlink, lookup wizard. Views of a table: design view, datasheet view. Creating a table. In database window, click on the create tab and select the table option in the tables group. The new table will be created in the database. To set fields properties, click on the field name for which you want to set the field properties. Primary key. A primary key is unequally identifies the each record in a table. Setting a primary key. Right click on the field and select primary key option from the context menu. The field will be set as the primary key indicated by a small key in the field selector column. Entering data in a table. After finalizing the structure of a table in design view, if you want to enter data in it, you need to open it in the datasheet view. Next, adding records. To add a new record, select the new command on the home tab in the records group. To save a record, select the home tab and locate the records group. Click on the save command. Editing records in a table. To edit a record directly, scroll through the records or use the record navigation buttons to find the record to edit. Adding a field. Open a table in database view. Right click on the drop down arrow of the field where you want to insert a field. The context menu appears. Select the insert field option. Deleting a field. To delete the columns, select the column by clicking on the column header and press the delete key, or right click on the column and select the delete field option from the context menu. Moving a field. Open the table in datasheet view. Select the field header. Drag and drop the field to the desired location. Adding a new row. Click the view button available on the home tab and select the design view option from the drop down menu. On the design tab, select the insert rows option in the tools group. A new blank row is inserted before the selected row. Deleting a row. Click on the delete rows button on the design tab in the tools group and observe the change in the table. Sorting data within a table. Select the field that you want to sort. Click on the drop down arrow next to the right of the field. Select either sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest option from the drop down list. Observe the change in the database. Opening an existing database. Start Microsoft Access 2010. Select the Open option from the File menu. Select the desired table from the Open dialog box. The selected database will be opened. Thanks.